Temperature in the city, 69 degrees. It's a warm start. We're going to stay warm all day long. We're in the 50s in some communities, though. Norwood 54, Lawrence 59, 60 degrees in Manchester. And we want to go to Cape Ann, at least, and show you what's in store for you as you head out the door. Ipswich 56 degrees, Rockport in the 60s, Gloucester 58 and 59 degrees, respectively, depending on which system you're using there for the temperature gauge. Beach and boating forecast later today will be cooler along the coast in the upper 70s as the sea breeze kicks in. And then on the ocean, the water temp 63 to 70 degrees, low tide right around 3:30 this afternoon. Plenty of space on the beaches. Temperatures in the upper 70s with the sea breeze for ultimate highs. But notice inland, that's where we'll have some low to mid 80s. Another warm day, yes, but low humidity. And that's a big deal here in the Northeast. Lows tonight back down into the 60s, 50s, pretty similar to what we experienced yesterday and last night. Cape and Islands forecast if we're heading to the south and east, or maybe you were there and now you got to come home. Well, unfortunately, you're missing out on great weather, but hopefully you may have the week off, continuing vacation. 78 degrees today, 75 for Thursday, and Friday a chance for rain. Those showers and storms will be numerous from time to time, with the rain backing off as we head into Saturday and just in time for the weekend. Saturday, 85. Sunday, we're dry, less humid, 84 degrees. And speaking of the weekend, here's a better picture of what to expect with the rain chance. There's an area of low pressure that will pass by on Friday. We do become humid, and we'll stay humid until this second cold front moves by on Saturday. And along that frontal boundary, that's where we have the potential for a few showers and storms. The better chance will be to the north and west. Not a complete washout Saturday. We stay warm, and we'll get a little bit drier for Sunday behind that cold front, with plenty of sunshine for the end of the weekend. Here's that 7-day 80s the next several days, with the coolest day being Friday, with the chances for rain and storms. Then we get back to the mid 80s through Saturday, Sunday, Monday 86. Next Tuesday, 88 degrees with a chance for some storms.